Hello friends, welcome to Maths Nerd.
Today, we will solve some hard problems based on compound interest like successive rates and half years. So, in our first problem, we need to find the compound interest on 16,000 rupees in 2 years. Till here, it's all fine, but if we see the rate, it is 5% per annum and 10% per annum as successive rates of interest. So, we have already solved these type of questions without using formula, but this time we'll use the formula. So first we need to see the usual formula for compound interest, that is the amount for compound interest, P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to T. Here, if you'll notice that if the time period is 1, that is, we can omit this T. P into 1 plus R upon 100 will give you P plus PR upon 100. That's basically the amount for compound interest for 1 year. And if you take this thing as the principal and you again multiply it by 1 plus R upon 100, you will get the amount for compound interest for 2 years. So we can write it as A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 into 1 plus R upon 100 and so on. So if the rates are different, we can simply write it as R1, R2 and so on. So our formula for this question will be P into 1 plus R1 upon 100 into 1 plus R2 upon 100, and if there were 3 years and 3 rates, you could have taken 1 plus R3 upon 100 too. So here we'll substitute the values. A is equal to 16,000 rupees into 1 plus 5 upon 100 into 1 plus 10 upon 100. So this is 1 upon 20 and this is 1 upon 10. So 1 plus 1 upon 20 is 20 plus 1 upon 20, 21 upon 20, and 1 plus 1 upon 10 is 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10. So it will be 16,000 into 21 upon 20 into 11 upon 10. And if you have seen my video regarding multiplication by 11, you will know that 21 into 11 is 231. So 16,000 into 231 upon 200. These two zeros cancel these two zeros. 160 divided by 2 is 80. 80 into 231 will give you 18,480 rupees. This is our amount and not our interest. For interest, we can write final amount minus original principal, that is 2,480, and this is our final answer, rupees 2480. And now let's see another problem. Here we have principal 10,000, all good, but the time is one whole 1 by 2 years, and the rate is 20% per annum, which is compounded half yearly. It means that the principal changes every half year instead of usual 1 year. So here we need to find how many half years are there in the time period. So there are 3 half years, 0 to 0 0.5, 0 0.5 to 1 and 1 to 1.5. And since it is 20% per annum, but the principal is changing every half year, so we need to make it 20 some percent per half year. So it will be 10% per half year. So the formula will be the same, but the values will be 10,000, principal remains same, 1 plus 10 upon 100. So whatever half yearly or quarter yearly, you need to multiply that into rate to get this thing, and you need to divide the time by that thing to get the power. So 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is 3, and 20 into 1 by 2 is 10. So like this, and then we'll solve it using the usual 10,000 into 11 by 10 whole cube. So 11 cube is 1331 upon 1000 into 10,000. So it will be 13,310, which is our amount, and again not our interest. So our interest will be 13310 minus 10,000, so that is 3,310 rupees.
Feel free to ask your doubts in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.